Picture this. Your garage door suddenly refuses to open, leaving you stranded. What now? Garage door motors are crucial for effortless access, and their failure disrupts daily routines dramatically. Often minor issues like worn gears and misaligned sensors are the culprits behind malfunctioning motors. Homeowners in Flower Mound frequently encounter bizarre noises or sudden stops. Don't ignore these warning signs. Professional garage door repair services can safely put an end to your motor troubles, ensuring peace of mind. Sometimes, simple fixes like checking the power supply can resolve unresponsive motors immediately. Is your remote control failing? It might just require new batteries or some wiring attention. Easy fix is often overlooked. Preventative maintenance is key. Lubricating gears and checking sensors can prolong your motor's life substantially. However, if the motor is outdated or frequently failing, it may be time to consider a replacement. Trusting experts ensures not just repairs, but also advice on maintaining your garage door's operational efficiency. Your safety matters.